guys, today I'm going to be doing a room tour. So first thing I have a couple in my sister's desk. There's a lot of markers, and then books, plus a little Ella pouch and a little koala. Let me just get that. It's really good. And then she has this Princess Crown night lamp, and then she has her pencil case, which has this is for school, so it has everything that you need for school in it. So I already showed you books, yeah? And then she has her laptop and all of that stuff. Let me see if that's gonna get the full view. That's her desk. And then let's move on to my desk. My desk is a bit more unorganized because I've just used it and it takes a while for me to clean it. But anyways, it just takes a day for me to clean it. But I've just used it. So in my desk, I have this stamp that says Hannah. And then my laptop. And I also have a pair of earphones, just in case I need it. Then I have some oils for massage. And then I have my diary. I have something that really is important to me. Then I have all my station. Let me just move this thing. Then I have all my stationery. Kind of messy. Then I have just a cup. I don't know why it's there. Then I have a mermaid globe. Shake it. And then there's like a little switch at the bottom to make it ring. Like this. So that's what that is. And then I have this really cool lamp, and it's like a mist thing. It's for good causes. And it looks something like that. You open the top, that's where all the mist comes from, and that's where all the light comes from. But if you close it, okay, this is what it's called. Young Living Lamp for massages. Then I have my mouse from the computer. And then I have a mirror. Again, like everything has a mirror. Look. So this looks so cool. Okay, anyways. So now that we're done with that, let me show you my backpack. I don't have anything in this right now because school's on Monday. Right now it's Friday. So my pocket has nothing in it. I don't want to show you that. But this is what my backpack looks like. Everlast. And then, okay. Inside of it just has my lunchbox. Oh gosh, I can't really show you that. It has my lunchbox. If you can see that. Okay, no, I'll just take it out. It has my lunch. It has a lunchbox, a jacket, a pencil case. Oh, here's my pencil case. I just got it, so it's really cute. And yeah, that's all that I'm going to be showing you today. Oh.